bad example for his children. Oh, this is happening. Red light. Green light. Green light. Kids, don't heckle the performers while they're walking on stage. It's like, we got enough in our heads going on up here. You trying to make the newbies terrified to even do this?
That's just the stagehand.
Yay. Well, okay. But still, give them a little quiet for the concentration. We'll appreciate it. Yeah, heckling is inserting yourself into a performance that you're not booked on. You want to talk up here? Man up, woman up, get the fuck up here. That's how you have something to say during the show, kids. All right, enough scolding. Our next two performers have both, this is so adorable, have both dedicated their pieces to their props. That's so cute. So we're about to get a WildFire staff routine. Yay! And the performer has dedicated the piece to his staffs who have been his friends there always for him. Please welcome to the stage, first time at WildFire, Jonah.
You have always been my friend, and I have loved you forever. You will walk with me into the wind. I will be your coat of feathers, golden paths unto the ocean. I will always walk with you, flooding rivers of devotion. I will always give to you, 'cause you're my best friend. And the sunshine on my knees, begging, baby, let's dance, so I can bask in what you bring. 'Cause it feels so good to be in my body now that I've given to you, my devotion. Like waking birds into the sun, I hear your voice inside my mind. I can always trust in you to tell me that everything is doing fine, 'cause you're my best friend. And the sunshine on my knees, baby, let's dance, so I can bask in what you bring. 'Cause it feels so good to be in my body now that I've given to you, my devotion. Best friend, flooding, and the sunshine on my knees, begging, baby, let's dance. I will always keep, so I can bask in what you bring. 'Cause it feels so good, flooding rivers, to be in my body now that I've given to you. I will always love devotion.
Let Jonah hear it, kids.